So after a restart, you're going to get a license agreement. After accepting, you're going to find this thing, which is called tip of the day. Can go through if you have some time. So right now, what matters is like these are the key things which you need to concentrate in a VMware workstation. Number one, new virtual machine, new team, open existing virtual machine or team. And the taskbar, you can see that power of this virtual machine in the sense just like a shutdowning of your OS. Suspend this machine just like going to sleep, or power on this virtual machine. Reset this virtual machine in the sense just like your Windows shutdown options. So here you need to click new virtual machine, where you need to install your new operating system which you would like to work virtually. So there is a wizard where you can see that, as I said previously, typical and custom, where custom is going to give more options regarding available things in VMware, where typical is recommended because it's a default thing. So in the menu of guest operating system installation, you got two options. So the first option is installer disk, where if you got a live DVD, that is live CD or DVD, you can just insert in your ROM and you can start installation. Or else if you got an ISO, that is image of a disk, you can proceed with this. Else you can install the operating system later. Right now I got my Ubuntu 8.10 desktop version in ISO format, so I'm carrying with that. So just like next, your virtual machine name can be named as you wish. So do remember that you need to have a minimum of 1 GB RAM, else it's going to stuck. And the maximum size of your operating system, which is right now to be installed, so I'm giving just 1 GB. So you can store this as a single file or into different multiple files. Just click next and check out the details. The hard disk you are giving to it is 1 GB and the memory is so and so. And you are going to support all this with USB, sound card and CD-ROM devices. Even the network adapter is going to be supported. You can customize even your hardware if you got anything else like external hard disk or IDIs. Just click finish and you can tick mark this for owning your virtual machine automatically. So it's actually asking for the serial number. So right now I installed my Ubuntu desktop ISO into this VMware workstation. So if I would like to open this, just click on power on this virtual machine. That means the Ubuntu system is going to be loaded into this VMware workstation. Even you can edit the virtual machine settings. So right now I'm power running my virtual machine using Ubuntu operating system. So these are all the things which are available right now to my PC. So I'm selecting language. So you can install or you can try it online. So these are all options in Ubuntu. So right now I'm installing Ubuntu here. Which takes a few minutes. Just hold on. So right now I'm in Ubuntu installation process, so it's a very easy thing. Just keep clicking forward as you had installed your VMware. Okay, you need to select this. Okay, it's all about your place and location. Just select any of your wish. Okay, now your timing. So any of this. So you can just test your keyboard whether it's working correctly or not. I guess it is. Now you need to give your partitions to your Ubuntu. As I would like to give just guided use. So actually I'd given just 1 GB at the starting, so it's saying that it's really difficult to maintain 1 GB for an operating system. So it's better if you hold 5 GB in VMware station so that you can partition your different operating systems with the minimum space of 1 GB or more. So it's almost done. You can see that the drivers and all the leftover things are being set up in the Ubuntu in your VMware workstation. So whatever I do in this operating system does not affect my original operating system, that is Vista. So I can use this as I wish. I can experiment all my viruses, worms, anything, all my malicious codes. Even I can install all of my tools and try each and every one of them. No problem if it is bugged because it does not affect my original operating system. I'm gonna uninstall this Ubuntu, that's it. Everything is clear by now. At the below you can see that VMware tools enable many features and improve mouse movements. To do this just click over here. So this is all about that. You need the drivers of your mouse device. So at any point of view, if you like to stop this operating system and go back to your original operating system, that is Vista, you can just press pass over here so that all the memory given to this will be passed temporarily and will be used for Vista. You can even shut down this directly over here. The VMware station is going to be closed automatically without closing of Ubuntu. So it has many features like even full screen. So there you go. I've got a full screen right now. Let's Control Alt and Enter to enter into the virtual operating system completely. Control Alt Enter. That's it. It's a very easy process. So my Ubuntu is ready now. So I can do anything over here. Let me show you using full screen Control Alt Enter. So if I would like to switch off this, just click on shutdown. I can do anything whatever I like because this does not affect my original operating system, so I can experiment as I wish. And now to close this and get back to your original operating system, all you need to do is just press Ctrl Alt first so that you will be able to enter into the menu of VMware Station. So to pass this, just click on Suspend this virtual machine. So this is going to save the status of your virtual machine, whether it's doing some work or having some work pending. Everything is going to be stored in a virtual memory. So now you can get back to your original thing, that is Vista, and everything will be as usually. And when things are okay, you can just get back and resume to your work like this just in a minute or less. So there you go, you can see that everything is back. So this is how we can use VMware Workstation, extremely useful for hackers, as they can install so many operating systems. So if you go on installing operating systems, you will find like these: IHC, Ubuntu, IHC, Backrack, and so on, so on, so on. So any number of operating systems can be held in VMware Station. So to shut down this session, you can go like this. So before entering into the VMware OS, you need to click Ctrl G or Ctrl Alt. So now I'm inside the Ubuntu. Just I can shut down this. So that's it, it's shut down. Now just click Ctrl Alt to get into VMware options. You can click power off this virtual machine so that all the memory used for this will be taken back to the Vista. So that's it. Your hard disk, your memory, everything is back to your Vista. Now you can make use of your memory and everything for your Vista. So there are also many other options available in this. Like I said previously, you can install as many as you can, but your system need to support for that. So try to explore as many options as you can, because there are unlimited options available in VMware Workstation, as based on different platforms like Linux, Windows, the options inside the operating system will be keep changing. So you need to try manually all those things.